quinoa should be fully chilled. Not warm, not slightly warm, but completely cooled. If you prefer, you can also use almond butter, cashew butter, tahini, or any smooth nut or seed butter you enjoy. For extra sweetness, you can also add coconut sugar, brown sugar, or maple sugar. The dough should feel soft, yet slightly firm, smooth and easy to shape, holding together beautifully without being too wet or too dry. I like to shape them into small little balls, around 5 grams each.